So hello boys, welcome back. This is Atharva, your CAT aspirant. I scored 92.9 in CAT 2025 and I scored 94.63 in VARC. Now why am I telling you VARC का score, right? But before that, वो भी बताऊंगा. But before that, I am trying to be really consistent at this series, Road to CAT 2026. ठीक है? It's 11 PM right now, I think. Yeah, 11:18 and I'm trying to record because आज मेरे को पूरा दिन टाइम नहीं मिला था. But what I did is I completed my profit loss and discount plus markup and markup percentage वाला exercise. I got done with that. I solved almost 20 questions today, basic ones, but उसमें भी थोड़े थोड़े tough थे which made my concepts clear as well. So तुम्हें अगर ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम्हें आता है तो maybe you don't, you need to try those things and you'll get to know that you are still stuck somewhere. Concepts clear नहीं है. So we still have simple interest and compound interest to be done in this series. अभी मेरे को बोर हो गया. I still remember this. Simple interest is P into R into T by 100 and compound interest is P into 1 plus R upon N into 100 raised to N. So N being the number of years compounded annually, right? So मतलब अभी still this is yet to be done in this series. After this is done, simple and compound interest, then we'll move ahead to the actual CAT questions, right? CAT का exercise तब होगा. But for now, I am really bored doing this. ठीक है, कितना करोगे? How many times are you going to go through it again and again and again, doing percentages, playing with those rupees and stuff? ठीक है. So I decided to stop this for a while, like for a day or two. But the reason I told you VRC score was because today we are going to do VRC passage right in front of you guys. I've picked a passage from slot 3 2025 and we are going to solve it right in front of you guys. I'm going to put a stopwatch. Don't worry, I'm gonna time lapse it. तुमको पूरा वीडियो टाइम पास नहीं कराऊंगा. I'm going to time lapse it. आपके सामने solve करूंगा. I'll write down the answers right in front of you and then we'll check it. We'll see how much correct we have got or how much wrong we have got. I'm thinking whether should I do one passage or should I do two passages. I'm not quite sure. Let's do two passages. Let's put a stopwatch for two passages. And my plan to get these two passages is in probably 15-16 minutes, I think 17 minutes at max. So for those who don't know, VARC is a section which is in your CAT exam. It's called verbal ability and reading comprehension. You get 40 minutes and you get 24 questions. Out of 24 questions, 16 are probably your reading comprehension. मतलब तुमको पैसेज देंगे और उसके नीचे 4 क्वेश्चंस, तो वैसे 16 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, मतलब 4 पैसेजेस आएंगे और बाकी सारा रहेगा वर्बल एबिलिटी. सो वर्बल एबिलिटी इंक्लूड्स जम्बल्ड वर्ड्स एक्सेट्रा राइट, jumbled passages and stuff like that. We'll do that as well. But today we'll do two passages. My goal is to get it done in 16 minutes, maximum 17 minutes. And I want to get, if there are 8 questions, I want to get 6 questions right. Okay, so 6 into 3, 18, 18 minus 2. So overall we get, even if we get it wrong, we get 16 marks. That is a very good score. Okay, so I have put a stopwatch. Let's do that right now. I'm going to change this angle और लगाता हूँ यहाँ पे. ठीक है, रुक जाओ. So this is the passage. I haven't read any of it yet. ठीक है, and this is the stopwatch. So I realized कि if I keep the stopwatch running, this is going to keep flickering, and it's going to ruin my concentration, right? So my plan is that I'll keep the phone. away. यहाँ पे रखता हूँ 0.5x पे, and I would write down the answers in front of you and then we'll both check. And just so if you want to solve with me, just so if you want to try your VRC skills out, I'll put the passage in a screenshot for a few seconds. You can pause and watch the passage. Then I'll put in the questions as well, mark your answers, and then we'll check together. So see you. Sorry, I realized कि see you बोल के I'm not going to end. So anyway, this is the passage 1. And these are your questions. And this is passage 2. And these are your questions. तो मार्क कर लीजिए अपने अपने क्वेश्चंस, आंसर्स लिख लीजिए. We both will check together, right? Let's see. I'm going to keep my phone and I'm going to solve the passage. Hopefully in 15 minutes, maximum 17 minutes. See you. I am done. ठीक है, ये मैंने मार्क कर दिया है मेरे. I have attempted 6, left 2. अब देखते हैं टाइम कितना हुआ है, टाइम कितना लगा ये दो सॉल्व करने के लिए. अभी तक स्टॉप वॉच मैंने क्लोज ही नहीं किया. सो आई टुक 18 minutes. नॉट दैट बैड इट सीम्स, राइट? 18 minutes फाइन, ठीक है, चलता है. अभी आई एम नॉट इन प्रैक्टिस एनी वे. सो लेट्स डू वन थिंग, लेट्स कंपेयर योर आंसर्स. पहले देखते हैं इफ़ यू हैव सॉल्व, अगर तुमने बाय एनी चांस सॉल्व किया है. सो दीज आर माई आंसर्स. नाउ लेट्स चेक एंड confirm on this. ठीक है. So this was our first, actually a good passage, understandable, अच्छा था बहुत. Second passage was shit. ठीक है. Let's check the answers. First should be A, that is correct, choice A. Second should be B, that's correct. Third should be C, that is also correct. And fourth, last should be B, that's wrong. Oh, one wrong. Now let's go to second passage. If anybody solved the second passage was absolute shit. इतना गंदा पैसेज मैंने आज तक नहीं पढ़ा था. पैसेज का तो ठीक है, बट क्वेश्चंस भी वैसे, क्वेश्चंस लिटरली हैव द सेम वर्डिंग फ्रॉम व्हाट द पैसेज इज, राइट? और क्वेश्चंस के ऑप्शंस भी इतने बड़े, क्वेश्चंस भी इतने बड़े, इम्पॉसिबल. यू हैव टू स्किप दिस क्वेश्चन, डायरेक्टली स्किप करना है VRC में, नहीं ले आना इसमें. ठीक है, फिर भी विल कंपेयर द आंसर्स. लेट्स चेक. आई जस्ट गॉट 2, दैट इज C and D. सो लेट्स चेक. फर्स्ट शुड बी C. व्हाट इज दिस? चॉइस A. लो भाई, पहले ही गलत. Second should be D. Wait. Correct. D is correct. ठीक है. और ये दोनों तो नहीं आए. What was this? A. So how much do I get? 4 correct. 12. 12 minus 10. 10 marks मिलते हैं मेरे को भाई. ठीक है. ठीक है. So if you want to go check and solve these questions, go to 2IIM. There's a website, and you can also go and check this passage. This was slot 3, 2025, मतलब अभी लास्ट ईयर वाला. और फर्स्ट और सेकंड पैसेज ही है. उसमें तुमको एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया रहेगा कि क्यों रॉन्ग, मतलब कौन सा करेक्ट है और क्यों करेक्ट है. सो यू वुड अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स बेटर इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू. एंड यप, सो द थिंग इज़ आई हैव नॉट बीन रियली इन प्रैक्टिस, इसलिए मेरा पढ़ना थोड़ा स्लो था. सो आप, मतलब आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू गाइज फील द सेम, इफ़ यू गाइज स्टार्ट अटेम्प्टिंग VRC passages, right? Sometimes you are just out of the zone. You start reading, you start the passage, and you are like reading the first line, and you have lost it all. You have lost the connection with the passage. Then you again start reading, then you have again lost. You know, you just keep losing 4-5 times until you really start the passage. You know, so I really have to be connected with the passage to like really start it. तो मेरे को इसमें थोड़ा टाइम लग गया. आई टुक ऑलमोस्ट, वो ज़्यादा हो गया था, लेट्स से 17.5 minutes. दैट इज़ अ लॉट एज वेल. वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, मतलब ठीक है, इट्स नॉट बैड. इट शुड प्रॉब्ली बी समवेयर अराउंड 15 minutes आई फील. और VRC ऐसा है कि इफ़ यू गेट अराउंड 30 marks, राइट, यू आर स्कोरिंग 95 percentile, 94 percentile. So and also there is a choice to select passages. You don't have to solve whatever it's given on your plate, right? You have options. Cat is about the emitting game. People say, अब तक मेरे को समझा नहीं है, मतलब I know you have to choose the right questions to solve, but वो consciously होता नहीं है. I'm going to work towards this time, but yeah, you have options, so you don't have to select those hard passages. That was very hard, the second passage, so you can skip that, choose the other 3 passages. And yeah, so first passage में, like you saw, I just got 1 wrong, and that probability will probably work for you. That would account to, let's say, 3 passages, 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27, 27 minus 3. So तुमको वहाँ पे 24 marks मिल जाएंगे. और फिर बाद में वर्बल एबिलिटी में तुम लोग और 8-9 marks भी ले लिया, तो यू आर ऑन क्लाउड 9. ठीक है. सो या, तो VRC का पढ़ो. एंड आई पर्सनली नेवर went for passages. I personally never went for newspapers, books, AONSs, all that stuff. ठीक है. I was very targeted for VRC, right? मतलब बस ये पैसेज है, इतना पैसेज ही पढ़ना है और कुछ नहीं करना है. सो आई सॉल्व MCQs, आई सॉल्व मॉक पेपर जिसमें मैंने किया था. एंड अदर देन दैट आई डेंट गो फॉर एनालिसिस बिकॉज आई फील लाइक यू रियली डोंट नीड दैट unless and until your reading is really bad and your comprehension is really bad. So yeah, I think I need to improve on the vocabulary a little bit and also on the speed. Speed तो खैर हो जाएगी when I get in action, right? थोड़ा धीरे धीरे, अभी थोड़ा I'm out of action, so I'm not able to do it. But yeah, 7 minutes, 6 minutes is so great if you can do it in 6 minutes. 7 minutes is a perfect time for you to do the passage and the questions. So yeah, so this is all for today. I tried to get those passages done और अभी देखूंगा कहाँ wrong हुआ है, क्या wrong हुआ है, and maybe see you tomorrow.